level behind you. Somebody waiting on you now.
You got $1 waiting on a dime. What do you think there, youngster?
Once again, never seems to fail.
What's that?
You!
Owner-operator, dude.
You're wearing sweats on a job, dude. I don't even think you should be here.
Well, I don't want to be here, but I've got to make sure it's done right.
It's always done right.
And look at you.
Regardless if you're here or not.
Yeah, well, that's your story.
Well, it's actually better when you're not here.
Of course you do.
It's done.
Of course you do, kid. No, get all of them in there. Don't wait. Get them all in there, dude. Don't miss any.
Yeah, we weren't going to miss any.
Doesn't matter, dude.
Train's just sitting there waiting.
So what? He can wait a little longer. I'm paying for it. I am paying for it, right?
Fuck, man.
Let's say, don't get pushed, Bubba. You do it the right way.
Where's that hammer at?
Oh, it's just hitting that screw, dude.
You got a screwdriver, Bobby?
Big screwdriver. Screwdriver, big flathead screwdriver.
Pull that out.
See, these can be cut down.
Nothing is cut off.
Got any pliers? Should have cut your hand now.
Just want me to get the phone mounted. This side. That's it, sweetheart.
Where's the cutters at?
There's 2 pairs of them right there.
this other side over here. See where it's at?
Alright, now lift it up.
Let's do the whole thing.
Alright, see a hammer?
Get over there and help him.
You got it?
Put the drill gun down and put